Hey everybody, I'm gonna do a wheel swap on my Volkswagen Golf Christmas one from a couple 2 years ago, I think. So next time you see it, it's gonna have some different tires on it. Alright, here we are. Just a wheel swap. I know they look similar, look about the same, but these are the originals. And here's the new ones. They come off the Euro Style Gti. Perfect fit for these things. Perfect fit. Roll and everything. So yeah, it's a pretty good little. I just found this thing. I know I had it, but I just found it last night. I thought it was pretty cool. I was like, you know what? Yeah, I like the Golfs and the GTIs. So yeah, well, that's that. Maybe I'll put some headlights on there and some tail lights and some turn signals and just keep it as it is. I'm gonna get some screw the base back in, and it'll be good to go. Yeah, I like that. It's nice. Alright, everybody. Yeah, I also had something else I wanted to show you guys. So I found this air car about a year ago at Walmart. If you can see, well, it doesn't really have any insides. I mean, it's spun. Has nothing on the inside though. Nothing. So I thought at first it was kind of strange because usually this comes in a form-fitting blister. This one's like, it's a loose-fitting one, but as you can see, it wasn't tampered with. Somebody did a really good job without tearing it up. But yeah, I thought this was pretty interesting when I first saw it because there's nothing on the inside there. Completely empty. There's some more that I have to look for. I just found this one. It was on top of one of my boxes. I gotta dig for the other ones, but I'll find those and post a bit on those too. Alright. Well, that's all I'm gonna show today. Alright. Guys, have a good one.